guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be making cupcakes. So we already got the water and vegetable oil. I'm going to get the 3 eggs. Okay, so let's get the 3 eggs. 1, 2, 3. Got the 3 eggs. My grandma right there is gonna go put the eggs up. Well, the egg thing up. I don't know what to call it. Okay. So I'm gonna crack them and put them in here.
Yes.
Okay. Whoa!
Whoa!
Did it crack?
A little bit. That's okay because we're going to crack them anyway.
Okay. So you crack them on the edge. There you go.
There's one. Whoa. Get any shell?
Oh, yeah, we did nuts.
Good job.
And make sure you wash your hands whenever you crack the eggs. And yes, I know, I look like a mess.
Put that back in front of there.
Okay, so you're gonna need 3 eggs. This is what you're gonna need. And if you want to make chocolates and vanilla, you can make chocolate and vanilla. You can make whatever one you want. It really doesn't matter. I'm making cupcakes of chocolate and vanilla.
Yes, you can. So we're putting this in the Tupperware Power Chef.
Yes. She has a lot of things that you don't know about. I do a lot of videos at her house because it's on her iPad. And I'm grounded from my iPad.
Help.
I got it.
Do this. Gets it all.
Huh? Right here?
No, try to pull it a little bit faster so that it. Do you need the spool back?
Yes, I do. And this is the cupcake holders we're going to use. Okay. Okay. Let's move that. Here we go. Okay. So let's keep going.
Yep, okay, you can have a couple of pulls.
And make sure you don't go crazy because I'm making a video. Stop.
Okay, let him get up there. Okay, Caden, hop up there and let's give it a few pulls.
You can only have 7 pulls. That's all. 7.
Can we help you hold it down? Okay, now pull. Pull hard. There you go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 6. No, hold it. 7. Wait.
Do one more. Make it even. All right.
8.
Now let me do it a minute.
After you. What are you making? Cakes. Or what? After Cece, can I go?
Yeah, a little bit more.
Okay. So, let's move right here.
Fine,
Oh no.
I have ice creams. Lots of ice cream. Hey, look. They're back up under. Are you looking?
There's no more ice cream in. Oh, I want one of the ice cream out of here.
Is that what you're looking for?
Yeah. I think it's mixed up good.
Look, they're back up here. See? Right here.
Grandma, I think it's mixed up good.
And then there's some like this too. Turn one.
Okay. Hello.
Whoa.
I opened it. Let's move y'all right here. Oh,
Hold that.
that was close. Okay. There we go. Back up. There we go. Hello. Safety.
Oh, I don't know what happened to my spatula.
Grandma, I think we mix it up good.
Okay, I'm looking for a spatula. There it is.
How do you close these things? Like, how? Pull it this way. Right. Hold right. Pull right here. Right here? Uh-huh. Hard.
Okay, let me see.
How do you do that? I can do it. Grandma, do you remember I opened it? You want to taste it? Me too.
Got it all mixed up. It's mixed to me, does it to you?
That's so pretty. Can like a little.
Well, after we get it in the things. Okay, turn the YouTube thing off.
Bye. Bye.